You have now completed drafting the introductory paragraph, and now this is time for you to look into the body paragraph 1. The section for body paragraph 1 and 2 are similar. You can copy your point that you have written in the positive and negative table on the point draft page. In the marker and restatement, you will choose an appropriate linker from the drop-down option. Then, you will write your claim based on the points that you have written on top. Your claim will need to be supported with supporting statements. I recommend 3 supporting claims to further justify your reasons. Look at the given examples. For the first supporting claim, you can elaborate on how does the point impacted the issue on the short term. You could also mention the outcome or consequences of your claim. You will do the same for supporting claim 2. However, you are going to talk about the long-term effect, outcome, or consequence instead. In supporting claim 3, you will summarize your claim accordingly, but be careful, this is not the summary of your essay just yet. It is just a summary of the paragraph.